I so don't want to leave. So it's currently 3 a.m. and I look like a mess, and I understand that. But we have to leave for the airport at like 4:30 in the morning because our flight is at 7:55 a.m. You have to reach the airport 2 hours before your departure. So 7:55, 6:55, 5:55. So we have to reach by 5:55. And considering that I'm in Bangalore right now, Bangalore and Bangalore airport are two different cities basically.
I know it sounds like an exaggeration, but it's not. It literally takes you 2 hours to travel over there. So that's why we're leaving at 4:30 in the morning. It's currently 3 a.m. We have an hour and a half more.
So it is instructed to you that you do a web check-in, that is 48 hours before your flight. So you do a web check-in and you are sent your boarding passes via email, of which you have to take printouts. Now this part I really don't understand why we have to take printouts. Like everything is closed. Coronavirus. We have prints of the e-ticket, the boarding passes, and the baggage tags. These are the Make My Trip tags, and this one is from Indigo. We get two. I don't know why. After this, I just ramble on for hours and hours about rules and regulations. All I have to say is that there's a self health declaration that you have to fill out and get a print of, and also, obviously, for each state, there are some rules and regulations for quarantine and stuff like that. So, you better read that. They'll send you a link to all of that on your phone. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just talking and talking because I'm bored. Carry your sanitizers, please. It's go time!
Fold it up, we gon' burn it down.
You have to maintain safe distance from people, and notice that there are glass barricades. You have to hold up your IDs to it when they are checking for you. Those blinky things are scanners, by the way, to hold up your boarding passes too. Oh, there you go. They give you baggage tags. Ha ha. Okay, so all of the security check went quite smooth and nice. We're all good for now. We're gonna wait till we fly. So here's a story time. This mask that I'm wearing is completely unbreathable through. Okay, I hate it. My glasses don't sit on it. So when I was getting security checked, it literally fell off my face. Fell off. Oh, and ring people problems. Still not able to breathe, and I look like a rat. More problems. So the airline gives you a kit of the mask, shield, and sanitizer. I like this one better because the Velcro one gets stuck in my hair. God. Bro, the hell. What the shit. God. I'm still not able to breathe, by the way. Maintaining safe distance from the people. It is now time to board your plane, so let's go. Uncles were gossiping quite a lot actually here. Yeah. Alan Walker, hi. Detangling your earphones while wearing these gloves is the hardest thing ever. Dude, it's literally fogging up inside my shield.
Krishna, Meena, Kaushal and हमारे Payoli camp crew member. Our crew members today can speak English, Hindi and Kannada. We are truly elated to have you back on board with us today. Keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. In case of low cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply now and breathe normally. Please wear your mask first before assisting others, and kindly make sure.
And so we finally took off. I did not get a window seat, so deal with these visuals. Thank you. Let's talk about this uncle. He's wearing a very Power Rangers inspired face shield on his face. And let me tell you, throughout the entire flight, this uncle was taking selfies. Not just selfies, he was taking group fees with everybody around him. Every single time I woke up from my nap to take a peek at whatever's going on around me, he would be taking a photo. Damn, boy. Damn.
2 rows at a time. Customers seated in the first two rows are requested to use the forward exit, and those seated in the passengers to please leave.
Our temperatures were checked and he asked us a few questions like, are you a government employee and stuff like that. So after that they gave us this. So yeah, home quarantine until 12th of July, guys. By the time you see this video, I'm probably finished my quarantine. So yeah, my hands look so weird and has this weird powder thing. Is more social distancing. So I'll just finish up the outro right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was some kind of informative for you. So if you're traveling during the pandemic, first of all, don't stay at home, sit at home. Just be at home and be safe. But if you have to, if there's like an emergency or like you're coming back home like me, then these are a few things that you need to know. And I hope this was helpful and fun for you. I am now home. I am going to go home. My dad is coming soon to pick us up. We're going home and we're staying there for 14 days and staying there even after that. So goodbye, thank you, stay safe. Came home, took a shower, all my baggage and stuff was sprayed with sanitizing spray. Then I took a long ass nap, woke up and ate. This is me today, completely healthy and safe. So yeah, thanks for watching.